Okay, I have a treat for you today. We are covering not the top, but these are 6 ETFs that will pay you a decent dividend, and the depreciation has not gone down significantly, or it has not gone down at all over time. So let's go. This is how you find them. You can go to dividend.com. This part is free. You can click over here where it says YTD, TOT, RET. And I go to the amount and I say, okay, are we being paid at least 10 cents though? And I didn't want to go through all of them. I just wanted to go through enough to say who is worth adding to our portfolio that we know has a higher probability of coming back up to its original price that it was released at, or if not higher. So first off, we're going to go to, oh no, I did the wrong thing. So ignore this. There. Okay. I started everything at the bottom so I can show you when this stock was made, so you have a more accurate analysis of when the stock was released, how long, it's been around. Most of these stocks aren't going to be older than a year because ETFs is still relatively new to the game. I don't know of any that have been around 5 years that are performing at a great level. So these are just the best for what we got to work with based on the current market conditions and previous market conditions. First on the list is NVDY. It was released on May 11th, 2023. It was released at $20.01. Let me use the keyboard. I'm going to slowly scroll up so you can see these dividends. And you will see we are consistently paid. The lowest we had so far by November was a 42-cent dividend. Dividend started going back up. We had a $1.53 dividend back in February, $2.62 for March 6, 2024, April 4th, $2.61, May 6th, $1.20, and it just keeps going on. I don't want to say every single one, I won't lie. Okay, so let's go all the way up. And remember, we were released at $20. Look, not only has this stock performed well every single month paying you dividends, it is NVDY. It is currently, as of October 28th, 2024, more than it was released at almost a year ago. We're going to exit this out. Well, no, we'll leave it up just in case I mess up the video. Okay, we'll go down to, this is BITX. It was released, it's over a year, so that's already good news. It was released June 27th, 2023 for only $15.57. This one was slower, as you can tell, to release a dividend. For some reason, Yahoo Finance isn't showing any dividends, but I know I've been paid dividends by them, so. Here we go, first dividend, 97 cents, May 22nd of 2024. June, okay, so now we're getting into monthly. We got paid in June, we got paid in July, all above 50 cents. August, above 50 cents. September, above 50 cents. Made it to October 2024. Over a year later, we are now at over double what we opened up at. So, winner we have there, BITX. Next, we have, BITO. That is a different company than BITX. BITO is ProShares. I'm unsure at the top of my head. Let's go to BITX and see what company it is, because I don't want to give false information. It doesn't say the company. It just says 2x Bitcoin strategy ETF. Well, if you want to look that up, I don't want to spend too much time on it. You can look up the exact company to see what else they have. I probably will do that after this video. I won't lie. Actually, we'll do it right now. No, we won't. Okay. Next, we have BITO. This one is a little concerning because it started off at $42. And you can see it slowly went down over time. Let me double check something so I can keep up with how much time passed as well. So you can too, because time definitely is a significant factor, especially if you look at the market and see what happens. Yeah, we released in October 20th, 2021. This is one of the oldest ETFs that I found that is still profitable. It did depreciate over time, but not nearly as bad as some of the other ones in their first year. Oh, look, 10:10. Sorry, my bad. I was looking at the clock. Okay, we opened October 20th, 2021 for $42.22. We're going to scroll up. We're going to go back to where we started finding dividends. We did not pay dividends for quite a while, like BITX. In fact, we didn't make our first dividend for the entire year. As you can tell, there's no bold. There was no dividend, unless Yahoo Finance didn't update, but usually they're pretty good about updating. That's why I like them. Cool, we got our first payment over a year later, in February 1st, 2023 for 15 cents. We were making smaller dividends. We got paid in March. We got paid in April. And it's concerning because we're down to $14. We're a lot lower. But as you watch me scroll, you will see the market slowly start to regulate itself to where we're already back up at $18. We're getting into $21. You can see the dividends staying consistent, coming out every single month above 10 cents. They did not skip the dividend even when they were having a bad month. And as you will see, they recovered almost when they hit $32 back on March 27th, 2024, which was this year. So it lets you know it is current. And as we scroll back up, we see we keep hitting the $30 month. So we keep making dividends, but we're not more than $10 less the original value when they first came out. And when you consider times like today, not today, but this day, on July 1st, 2024, when they did a dividend of $1.50, that's not bad when you consider how much the dividends added up over time. Now let's keep scrolling till we get to today, October 2024. And you will see we're about $20. But seeing how it fluctuates and how it does go closer to 30 again, I still let it stay in the top stocks for depreciation versus dividends because I do feel you would have made your money back. Just because there were so many dividends that were over $1, I can do the math if you want, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, let me just see if there's at least 10 $1. I wasn't really paying as much attention. I was trying to say the dates, but we'll scroll down one more time. So there's over $1 right there. Now we're at 2. Now we're at 3. We're over 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll count that as 8 because I'm not. Well, with that it is 8. Okay, 8. Those are too low. I'm not going to count them in my quick math. Let's see. Between those two, it's 9. Yep, there's the winner. We've already made $10. So if it gets back up to $30, you would have made your full investment back and everything is free money. This would have been a stock you would have had longer, but that is always good news because nothing sounds better to my ears than low depreciation with a decent dividend. And I consider $1.22, $1.77, $2.58, whatever all we passed. If you're getting that 2 years after you invested one time, I consider that pretty great. And again, that was BITO. Now on to the next one. We are at NFLX. They're not as old as no, they are. They're over a year old. Okay. August 8th, 2023. They are like 2 months past the 1 year date. They opened up for $19.92 and they paid a dividend by the next month for 42 cents. Which I love to see. I love to see you invest and you already get your money within a month. They're staying above 40 cents. It's consistently paying every single month, as we can see here. Getting February, they paid over $1 back here in February 2024. I won't lie, I gotta go back down. I forgot what we opened up at. 1 second. Okay, let's go back. No. Please go up without messing it up. You are doing so well, computer. I'm sorry. You know, if we're going to scroll all the way up and then we'll scroll down so I don't waste your time. Okay, so as of October 28th, 2024, they opened at $17.84. They opened up back in August of 2023 at $19.92, being, when you look at how many high dividends it provided consistently, and it's not even $1 off because it was still $18.84 had you bought it in August of 2023. This is definitely a winner. And if in case you forget, it's NFLY. Now on to the last one. I already have a video on Yahoo Finance covering MSTY. And basically what happened is we looked at it. We said if you bought it for $21 in February 22nd of 2024, more dollar in dividends by December 2024, would have had made you all your money back, and everything after that is free money. MSTY is not as old as I would want it to be because it's not even a year old, but the returns were so significant. It just paid a $4.20 dividend after kind of giving us a scare, giving lower dividends. So it's definitely in the top. I don't think it's depreciating really badly. I think it's doing great. I'm still going to put my money into it. Understand, putting money into any of these is high risk because they are all ETFs. But if you can make more money short term to diversify your portfolio, I always say do it. And please have a great day and happy investing.